Welcome to your Weather on Demand. I'm meteorologist Wesley Williams for UpperMichiganSource.com. Yesterday we had a high temperature of 83 degrees, but yesterday we also had southerly winds. Today's winds are out of the west and becoming breezy at times, and so that means temperatures are a little bit cooler. Check that out. I want to show you that it's mainly in the 50s across the area this morning compared to 60s yesterday morning, and we have a lot of clear air across the UP. Here's that low pressure system. You can see it spiraling about across the northern plains, pushing eastward into the northern Great Lakes. Here's that cold front. You can see it advancing, that line, those showers out ahead of that cold front that pushed through the area yesterday to help us see cooler temperatures today. But in between the cold front and the backside of the system, there's kind of this dry slot here in the middle, and that's what helped us to see some sunshine early today on Tuesday morning. But looks like the backside of the system is about to spin through, and so that means an increase in cloud cover later this afternoon, as well as a chance of rain showers. Out ahead of that frontal system, it's still very hot and warm, into the 70s this morning across much of the eastern nation, but still cool behind the system. And we're going to get a west wind today, so you can see that temperatures should be much cooler compared to if we had a south wind blowing all of those warmer temperatures towards us. Now, there is a north wind across the plains today, and then tomorrow we'll see that north wind, and so that means temperatures will cool back even more across the Great Lakes. But for today's forecast, it's mainly out of the west, so we'll expect to see slightly cooler weather than yesterday, with a partly sunny start, becoming mostly cloudy this evening as these showers pass through the area later this evening into tonight. Wednesday, it will certainly be cool around the area with a direct north wind across the area, blowing just out of Canada across Lake Superior. It's certainly going to feel much cooler than it normally does in May in the UP. Here's a look at the forecast model. You can see that the sunshine was around this morning, but here's your best chance of rain, I think, this afternoon. And you see this cluster of showers across the eastern UP. I think that's where it'll happen best at, in the eastern areas this afternoon. Then it's very isolated this evening. We could see maybe a stray shower on Wednesday morning, but I think that primarily it's clouds on Wednesday before clearing out Wednesday night. And those clear skies and calm conditions will spell for a very chilly overnight forecast. I had this set up, and I'll try to show you exactly what I mean by that. You can see that by Wednesday we can get into the lower 30s in some areas. Here's a look at Wednesday morning's temperatures, but then as we move the graphic ahead into Thursday morning, this is where I'm concerned at for frost in the area, because we are forecasting temperatures near freezing in many inland areas away from the lake shores. So here's a look at today's forecast. We're expecting most of those temperatures to be in the 60s, mostly sunny skies to start off with, clouds later on, west winds up to 18 miles per hour, and then tonight around 40 for a low, and we're keeping that chance of rain showers around. Look at those winds though, already changing over to northwesterly, starting up that cool down for us. Here's a look at it in your TV 6-day forecast. It's chilly Thursday morning, so take the pets and plants indoors if they're sensitive to cold temperatures. But then we warm back up towards the weekend.